SOA Exam ALTAM Problem Guide, Embedded Options, GMMB, GMDB, and Delta Hedges. The SA is asking whether you can see a guaranteed minimum as an option on the policyholder fund. The payoff is max of 0 and the guarantee minus the fund. Here is the intuition. The guarantee is a floor under the policyholder fund. If the fund finishes below G, the company pays the gap. That gap is a put. Black-Scholes prices the put. Delta tells you how many fund units to hold to mimic it. A GMMB pays at maturity whether or not the life survived. A GMDB is survival contingent. Monthly charges exist to fund the hedge. They expect that payoff written clearly, then a Black-Scholes embedding, usually a put. A GMMB is a maturity guarantee. A GMDB is survival contingent. Delta hedging asks you to rebalance a replicating portfolio. Q55 stacks a profit test on top of the option. Identify this family when you see GMMB, GMDB, guaranteed minimum, Black-Scholes, Delta, or a fund path whose guarantee must be hedged. A UL corridor is not an equity option. Stay in UL for that. Plan of attack. Write the payoff. Map to put or call. Price risk neutral. If they want to hedge, compute delta and the rebalancing P and L. If they want a profit test, project the fund, charge for the option, then form PR. Algebra trap. Pricing a GMDB like a GMMB and dropping survivorship. Another trap. Reporting delta as if it were the option value. And monthly charges exist to fund the hedge. Do not ignore them in the profit test. On exam day, write the guarantee payoff in words, max of 0 and G minus the fund. Map it to a put or a call. Price risk neutral. If they want to hedge, compute delta and the rebalancing P and L. Remember GMDB is survival contingent and GMMB is not. End with one sentence. This number is an option value, a hedge trade, or an ELI profit. Climb Q56 for a GMMB Black-Scholes value, Q61 for GMDB delta hedging, then Q55 for profit test plus option pricing together. The sample set is thin. Own these three.